What is Agile Scrum methodology? Agile Scrum methodology is a sprint-based project management system that aims to deliver the highest value to stakeholders. Companies of all sizes use Agile Scrum methodology for its ability to provide high-end collaboration and efficiency for project-based work. Agile and Scrum are two different methods that can be used separately. However, their combined benefits make this methodology the most popular use of Agile. Here's the complete guide to Agile Scrum methodology. How does Agile Scrum work? Agile Scrum methodology combines the Agile philosophy and the Scrum framework. Agile means incremental, allowing teams to develop projects in small increments. Scrum is one of the many types of Agile methodology. It's known for breaking down projects into sizable chunks called sprints. Agile Scrum methodology is good for businesses that must finish specific projects quickly. Agile Scrum methodology is a project management system that relies on incremental development. Each iteration consists of 2 to 4 week sprints, where the goal of each sprint is to build the most important features first and come out with a potentially deliverable product. More features are built into the product in subsequent sprints and are adjusted based on stakeholder and customer feedback between sprints. While other project management methods emphasize building an entire product from start to finish in one operation, Agile Scrum methodology focuses on delivering several product iterations to provide stakeholders with the highest business value in the least amount of time. Agile Scrum methodology encourages faster product development because each set of goals must be completed within each sprint's time frame. It also requires frequent planning and goal setting, which helps the Scrum team focus on the current sprint's objectives and increase productivity. What is Agile? Agile is a process that allows a team to manage a project more efficiently by breaking it down into several stages. Each stage allows for consistent stakeholder collaboration to promote steady improvements at every stage. What are the values of Agile? Agile was first described in the Agile Manifesto in 2000 by a group of developers seeking a new method of writing software. The manifesto cites 4 values. 1. Individuals and interactions over processes and tools. 2. Working software over comprehensive documentation. 3. Customer collaboration over contract negotiation. 4. Responding to change over following a plan. What are the 12 principles of Agile? The Agile Manifesto also enacted 12 principles about software development and was later reconfigured to fit a broader perspective of users. 1. Customer satisfaction. 2. Early and continuous delivery. 3. Embrace change. 4. Frequent delivery. 5. Collaboration of businesses and developers. 6. Motivated individuals. 7. Face-to-face conversation. 8. Functional products. 9. Technical excellence. 10. Simplicity. 11. Self-organized teams. 12. Regulation, reflection, and adjustment. What is Scrum? In short, Scrum is a framework for effective workplace collaboration in teams working on complex products. Scrum is a type of Agile technology that consists of meetings, roles, and tools to help teams working on complex projects collaborate and better structure and manage their workload. Although it is most often used by software development teams, Scrum can benefit any team working toward a common goal. Who can benefit from Scrum? While Scrum can be helpful in a wide variety of businesses and projects, these are the most likely beneficiaries. Complicated projects. Scrum methodology is ideal for projects that require teams to complete a backlog. Scrum breaks down each process into bite-sized chunks that can make a complex project easier. Companies that value results. Scrum is also beneficial to companies that value results over a process's documented progress. This is because Scrum is focused on efficiency and innovation to drive results instead of a detailed, rigid process. Companies that cater to customers. Scrum can help companies develop products according to customer preferences and specifications. It is adaptable to change, making it vital when responding to customer requests. What are the benefits of Agile Scrum methodology? The collective benefits of Agile Scrum methodology include the following: 1. Flexibility and adaptability. 2. Creativity and innovation. 3. Lower costs. 4. Quality improvement. 5. Organizational synergy. 6. Employee satisfaction. 7. Customer satisfaction. Flexibility is perhaps the most significant benefit of Agile Scrum methodology. In the sprint-based model, the Scrum team typically receives stakeholder feedback after each sprint. If problems are found or changes must be made, the Scrum team can adjust product goals easily and quickly during future sprints to provide more valuable iterations. This way, stakeholders are happier because they get exactly what they want after being involved every step of the way. Compare this with traditional project management systems, where stakeholders do not provide frequent feedback and time is wasted making changes to the product halfway through development. Even worse, teams may need to start from scratch after the product has already been built. What are the disadvantages of Agile Scrum methodology? While there are several benefits to this methodology, potential disadvantages include the following. 1. Unpredictability in planning. 2. Increased time demands. 3. Heightened stakeholder commitment. 4. Documentation challenges. 5. Risk of project deviation. This methodology's unpredictability during project planning is a significant drawback. Unlike traditional approaches, Agile Scrum's emphasis on flexibility can make it challenging to accurately estimate and manage project resources and timelines. Additionally, while this methodology promotes communication and teamwork, it can create additional time and energy demands on participants. Constant interaction and iteration, hallmarks of Agile development, can unexpectedly extend project timelines. Because the Agile Scrum methodology requires stakeholder commitment and alignment at all levels, any discord or lack of involvement can disrupt a project's progress and compromise its overall quality. These challenges underscore the importance of careful planning and proactive management strategies to ensure significant obstacles don't arise. What are the different roles in Agile Scrum methodology? Agile Scrum methodology consists of 2 sets of roles: core roles known as pigs and ancillary roles known as chickens. There are 3 core roles: Scrum Master, Product Owner, and Scrum Team. These people are committed to the Scrum project. 1. Scrum Master. The Scrum Master is the facilitator of the Scrum development process. In addition to holding daily meetings with the Scrum team, the Scrum Master ensures Scrum rules are being enforced and applied as intended. The Scrum Master's responsibilities also include coaching and motivating the team, removing impediments to sprints, and ensuring the team has the best possible conditions to meet its goals and produce deliverable products. 2. Product Owner. The Product Owner represents stakeholders, typically customers. To ensure the Scrum team delivers value to stakeholders and the business, the Product Owner determines product expectations, records changes to the product, and administers a Scrum backlog, a detailed and constantly updated to-do list for the Scrum project. The Product Owner is also responsible for prioritizing goals for each sprint based on their value to stakeholders, to ensure the most critical and deliverable features are built in each iteration. 3. Scrum Team. The Scrum Team is a self-organized group of 3 to 9 individuals with the business, design, analytical, and development skills to carry out the actual work, solve problems, and produce deliverable products. Scrum Team members self-administer tasks and are jointly responsible for meeting each sprint's goals. Ancillary roles belong to other stakeholders who are involved in but not committed to the Scrum project. Typically, ancillary role players include customers, management, and C-suite executives who consult, report progress, and gather feedback to improve the project and help deliver the highest value possible. What are the differences between Scrum and Agile? Although Scrum and Agile are similar, they have some key differences, including the following. Scrum values rigidity while Agile is more flexible. Agile leaders play a vital role while Scrum promotes a cross-functional team that is self-functioning. Agile involves face-to-face interactions between cross-functional team members, while Scrum involves daily stand-up meetings. Agile is meant to be kept simple, while Scrum can be innovative and experimental. Scrum delivers shorter, separate projects, while Agile delivers everything at the end of the process. What are alternatives to Agile Scrum methodology? Several other project management styles are used across industries to address organizations' specific needs and process preferences. Below are some of the most prominent alternatives to the Agile Scrum methodology. Waterfall. The waterfall methodology is a traditional sequential approach to project management. It gets its name from the cascading nature of project phases, where progress flows steadily downward, like a waterfall. In this method, each project phase follows a linear progression, with distinct phases, such as requirements gathering, design, implementation, testing, and maintenance. Unlike the Agile Scrum methodology, where iterations allow for flexibility and adaptation, Waterfall follows a structured, predetermined plan. Lean. The Lean methodology, inspired by principles derived from manufacturing, emphasizes the elimination of waste and supports continuous improvement. While Agile Scrum focuses on iterative development, Lean streamlines processes to deliver value efficiently and effectively. The Lean methodology encourages identifying and eliminating any activities that don't add maximum value to the end product. However, similar to Agile Scrum, Lean may require significant organizational buy-in and workflow shifts to realize its benefits fully. Rapid Application Development (RAD). RAD is an incremental software development approach that prioritizes quick prototyping and iteration. RAD emphasizes user feedback and involvement throughout the development process, allowing for timely iterations and adjustments based on stakeholder input. This approach differs from other methods in that RAD aims to accelerate the time to market by eliminating lengthy development cycles and delivering functional prototypes early in the process, creating a method to produce success. When implemented effectively, the Agile Scrum methodology is a versatile and efficient project management system capable of delivering high-value outcomes to stakeholders. The key to success with this approach is establishing clear communication channels among team members and stakeholders, ensuring transparency throughout the project lifecycle. By fostering collaboration, adaptability, and continuous improvement, this approach empowers teams to navigate complex projects while prioritizing a rapid response to change.